The creation of a workforce consisting of high-quality scientists and technologists is the need of the hour in our country, and being endowed with potentially high population of youngsters, an initiative is a welcome sign. The current education system is to train students for a well-designed opportunity to pursue a successful career. However, the scientific curiosity towards research and the associated technological development is not inclusive in this process. It is imperative that this system gets enabled by a process which activates the mind towards research. Anveshana attempts to imbibe in school children curiosity-driven innovative ideas, many times far removed from the routine syllabus-based course as well as the experimental training. This practical approach will allow the student to explore, discover and invent phenomena with far-reaching application potential and remove the lacuna that research needs to be pursued only by a set of students towards a PhD degree, for example. Needless to add, that the progress in this curiosity-driven approach will make a significant impact on future scientific and technological endeavor and put India among the top countries in this context.
To nurture the required attitudes and competence to do scientific research, appropriate experiences have to be provided right from the school level. The National Education Policy 2020 states that students who display special interest and capabilities in any domain should be allowed to pursue learning beyond what the standard curriculum offers. In line with the goals of NEP 2020, Anveshana intends to develop students into independent researchers and scientists. Anveshana also seeks to enable Indian schools with the tools, knowledge and resources required to build a culture of scientific research.
Anveshana offers students from class 9 to 12 an opportunity to participate in scientific research projects undertaken at Prayoga Institute of Educational Research. In this direction, Prayoga has established the necessary infrastructure to undertake good quality research with best-in-class equipment available to students. Anveshana also provides students with a realistic and valuable experience of scientific research. Students may also get the opportunity to present or publish their work in conferences and scientific journals.
Anveshana is an education research project for Prayoga which studies the impact of research as a pedagogy on students' abilities and their attitude towards science. The outcomes of the Anveshana project will help evolve a framework to identify and nurture world-class researchers as part of the Indian education system. Prayoga intends to work with progressive schools in enabling Anveshana.